Hello, I'm in a 2015 Hyundai Elantra, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we'll go in, and there should be a lever right here. So we'll pull. You should hear a little pop sound. That's the safety releasing. It should be under tension. Probably can't see. There's a little cable behind the plastic there that should be attached. Now, if it's not, you need to adjust that. We'll go up to the front. Most vehicles, the lever is somewhere towards the middle. There it is. So I'm going to squeeze and lift. So squeeze, lift. There's what it was hooked onto. That's what the component looks like. So it was like squeezing that. If you're having issues with that part, you might have some debris or something caught in there you need cleaned out. Maybe some WD-40 to loosen it. Otherwise, sometimes the hood gets a little off alignment. So you might need to adjust all that to center again if needed. And all else fails, you can replace these parts and the cables if needed. They're fairly affordable, luckily. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.